In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini's Related Links feature. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into what Google Gemini is and how you can benefit from its Related Links feature. Google Gemini is a platform designed to enhance your search experience by providing detailed, relevant information and connecting you with related links that can deepen your understanding of a topic. So whether you're doing research for school, work, or just out of curiosity, this feature is incredibly handy. To start, the first step is to head over to Google Gemini. You can do this easily by opening your browser and typing Google Gemini in the search bar. You might find it helpful to follow along with me as I guide you through this process, so grab your devices if you can. Once you've searched for Google Gemini, click on the official link to access the platform. It should take you directly to the home page. This is where the magic begins. Here you'll see an interface with a prompt box waiting for your input. Now for step 3, it's important to know what kind of prompt works best with Google Gemini. You will want to type in a factual prompt. This means your query should be clear and specific so that Gemini can gather information from various credible sources and link them together in its responses. For instance, if you want to know about what's happening in the world today, your prompt could be something like, "Tell me today's international breaking news." Once you've typed in your prompt and submitted it, wait a moment for the response to load. This is step 4. Gemini will scour the web and process information to give you a summary or a comprehensive answer regarding your question. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once the response is loaded, you will notice that alongside each factual response, there are related websites linked. This is step 5. The visual representation will often include links that you can click on to explore the information further. This feature saves you from having to go back and start a new search. Instead, you can dive deeper into the topic right from your original query. Now, let's jump to step 6. When you click on any of those related links, it takes you directly to the website where the information was gathered from. This means you don't just get a quick answer. You also discover the original source of the information, which can be incredibly valuable for verifying facts or simply for further exploration. Whether it's news articles, research studies, or additional data, you have a wealth of resources at your fingertips. I'll be honest, I find this feature transformative for research purposes. If you've ever spent too long sifting through search results, trying to find reliable information, you know how frustrating that can be. Google Gemini takes that burden off your shoulders by presenting everything neatly in a streamlined format, complete with related links that enrich your understanding. In summary, using Google Gemini's Related Links feature is straightforward but incredibly effective. You start by submitting a concise, factual prompt, wait for the system to generate a response, and then explore the linked sources to gain more insight. So the next time you want to dig deeper into a subject, remember these simple steps, and you'll be navigating Google Gemini like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me today in this exploration of Google Gemini's capabilities. If you learned something new and you want more tips and tricks in the future, remember to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Happy searching!